Iron can cut wood, steel can slice cast iron. But what can slice through hardened steel like it's tofu? The answer is powder metallurgy. Sealing tungsten carbide with hardness approaching diamond into a shell weighing just a few grams. Today, I'll show you the 8 reapers of metal that dismantle the physical world. They are the teeth that grow from machine tools. The final judges of industrial civilization. Without them, all our towering steel structures are nothing more than unprocessable scrap metal. Number 8, Mitsubishi from Japan. They're the berserker of the CNC world. Other cutting tools are picky about machines. Mitsubishi specializes in taming the old, the weak, and the broken. Backed by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries' massive military and shipbuilding test facilities, their cemented carbide bodies possess an almost savage durability. European toolmakers pursue elegant limit parameters in laboratories, while Mitsubishi pursues one thing: even if the machine vibrates like it has Parkinson's, they will never crack under the shaking, a terrifying will to survive. Number 7, Seco from Sweden. They're the silver dancer of high-speed cutting. Their name comes from the Latin word seco, meaning to cut. When a 5-axis spindle sweeps across aerospace aluminum at 20,000 RPM, Seco's inserts produce continuous, mirror-smooth ribbons with extreme silk-like surface finishes. In the smoothness of turning solids into flowing liquids, they possess the highest violent beauty in Nordic minimalism. Number 6, Walter from Germany. They're Germany's microscopic scalpel. They've carved German OCD into the microscopic world. In the black hole of deep hole drilling, Walter's internal coolant alloy drills can drill straight to the bottom inside sealed blind holes, under dozens of times atmospheric pressure, with absolute perpendicularity, on Porsche and Mercedes steel production lines. They are the industrial scalpel that allows 0 nanometers of vibration. Number 5, Sumitomo from Japan. They're the Vulcan of hardened steel and fire. When facing hardened steel above 60 HRC, ordinary carbide inserts go bald instantly. That's when Sumitomo's CBN inserts enter the scene, completely abandoning coolant. In dry cuttings, blazing white sparks, enduring temperatures over 1,000 degrees. They peel hardened steel like apple skin. They are the wall breaker at the absolute limits of material science. You think brute forcing material hardness is the endgame for cutting tools? The next one will show you what a dimensional downgrade attack really means. Number 4, Kyocera from Japan. They're the phantom ceramic of dimensional transcendence. They've already abandoned mortal steel, drawing on a century of precision ceramics heritage. When stealth fighter carbon fiber skins and semiconductor monocrystalline silicon wafers need to be cut, Kyocera's ultra-hard ceramic tools appear like phantoms, at cutting speeds up to 800 meters per minute. Composite materials are stripped away before they can produce a single burr. They don't cut iron, they cut the skeleton of the future. But Kyocera relies on material transcendence, while the one ahead of them plays with spatial magic. Number 3, ISCAR from Israel. They're the geometric prodigy fully acquired by Warren Buffett, the globally recognized king of topological innovation in cutting tools. In 2006, the Oracle Buffett broke his lifelong rule of never touching manufacturing and invested billions to acquire them outright, where others can only use 2 edges on a single insert. ISCAR designs insane structures that use 5, even 8 cutting edges. With their ruthlessly greedy geometric innovation, they squeeze every last drop of value out of every gram of carbide. Before absolute innovation, Only absolute brute force can keep it in check. Number 2, Kennametal from the United States. They're the American armor-piercing round that tears through the battlefield with fire and iron. Pure American heavy artillery. Since World War II, they made their name cutting tank turrets and armor plates for U.S. military factories. There's no trickery in Kennametal's playbook. Only crushing dominance. When facing extremely sticky, hard-to-machine aerospace titanium alloys, Kennametal's cutter heads, bathed in flooding coolant, tear through with furious feed rates, ripping open a bloody path through fire and iron. Number 1, Sandvik Coromant from Sweden.